Replacing wire ropes for friction winder hoisting system is a dangerous, labor-intensive, and time-consuming task. It is a challenging issue that affects production and safety. Sansen rope changing vehicle innovates with a patented dual infinite chain technology that grips the steel wire ropes without damage, achieving straight, continuous transportation. Combining Sansen's unique rope replacement process for friction winder systems to complete the replacement of 4 head ropes in a 1,000-meter deep well, it only requires 10 people and 8 hours. It is safe and efficient. The overall arrangement of the rope replacement construction is shown as follows. First, retrieve the old rope. Introduce the slackened old rope into the rope changing vehicle. Start the winder and the rope changing vehicle follows, continuously retrieving the old rope with constant tension. Second, flip over the rope. The new rope is threaded through the rope replacement vehicle and connected to the old rope. And the winder operates to flip the new rope over the guide pulley. Third, connect hanging device. Connect one side of the new rope to the hanging device. Fourth, deploy the new rope. Start the winder and the rope replacement vehicle follows, continuously deploying the new rope with constant tension. Finally, replacement complete. Connect the other side of the new rope to the hanging device. Replacement is completed. This equipment is also suitable for replacing and cutting steel wire ropes for double drum winder and Blair winder, as well as for replacing round balance tail ropes and guide ropes. It's flexible, convenient, and mobile, meeting the special requirements of narrow wellhead sites and complex situations. This equipment has successfully replaced ropes in over 2,000 mines and completed several rope replacement tasks in mines deeper than 1,000 meters and with steel wire rope diameters over 60 millimeters. Yunnan Qihong Group, Huizi Lead Zinc Mine, China's deepest well depth of 1,526 meters. Zhongmei Shanxi Yulin Dehaize Coal Industry Company Limited. 6 rope hoisting, large rope diameter, 62 millimeters.